people, welcome to Long Kiss TV. So today's video is gonna be over this cute ass half up, half down, natural, yeah, kinky wig. You thought this was my hair, bitch, I know. You literally thought this was my hair, even though, ignore that, okay? But you thought this was my hair. You already know we use Touch by Misty glue, some Got To Be glue spray, a weft band. I'll have all the specs for this unit down below. Julia, thank you so much for you sending this unit over. I've never done a kinky texture, and I must say it's a vibe. I got so many compliments at work. Y'all hear me say that because that's pretty much the only place I go, is to work. And if you guys don't know, I'm a dancer, so people pay attention to our makeup, our outfits, our hair, everything like that. So every time I switch my hair, I'm constantly getting feedback. Whenever I get my makeup done, constantly getting feedback. So Julia, thank you so much, because I made hella coin in this. I've worn it down, I've worn it up. Let me show y'all the back. I did layer it, that's why this part looks a little bit shorter, but I layered it. I did not cut it. It's the original length. The density is amazing. This is the full thing, and this is flat ironed. Before I flat ironed it, it was way thicker than this, but it takes heat. If you're gonna wand it or curl it, I do suggest using some hairspray, because if you're doing any physical activity, of course the curls will fall. As a dancer, I had to go up and touch up every now and then. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give this hair an 8 out of 10. I give it an 8 out of 10 because the only con is this may be something normal with kinky hair, but I wish the curl would stay without hairspray. I don't want to have to spray hairspray to make the curl stay. I don't know, I don't like that. But other than that, the lace, I did not pluck it. I bleached the knots. But as far as like that plucking, yeah, it came like that. I did not do that. I'm not gonna take the credit. Julia did that. If y'all wanna see how we installed this kinky curly natural unit, then just keep watching. I'll have the link to this direct unit as well as their website. If you guys want to shop around in general, they always have sales and shit going on. There should be some type of like 10 to 20% off as well in the description box. It's giving black girl, pretty black girl. Anyway, let's get into the install.